If we're seeing some shifts in demography, how powerful is this? For those of you who have businesses, or for those of you who are concerned about investments, is there predictability to this? In a world that's increasingly uncertain, in a world where we don't know exactly what might happen next, is there any predictability to demographics? Here's a look at what's going to happen in the United States during this decade. During the decade 2000 to 2010, essentially all the age groups under the age of 45 are going to shrink. The 45 and over segments are going to grow, and by the way, grow incredibly, predictably. And if you're curious to look back to see how things have changed in the past 50 years versus this current decade, take a look at the decade from 1950 to 1960. Had you been in business during that moment in time, you would have been very smart to target young kids and their young parents. How about the 1960s? How about the 1970s? Look what happened in the 1980s. Look at the 1990s. Here we are now. And by the way, occasionally people will say, well, that's just, the next few years. What about the next 20 years? Here's what's going to happen demographically to the United States during the next couple of decades. And you can bet on this. There is no marketplace phenomenon more predictable than this age wave.